Hey, 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 everybody. Look who's painting with me. Elijah came to Nebraska to visit, so we're going to do some videos. So I'll bring you down to the canvas. All right. Hey, 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 everybody. Thanks for joining me on my channel today with AmysCreateAcrylics. I'm Amy. Hello, hello. Today I have my painting buddy, Elijah, here with me today. Say hi.
Hi.
Do this. So they can see your hands because they can't see your face with this one. Today we're going to do, for this painting, we're going to do some shmearing. We picked out our own colors, some paints that I had mixed up previously. So Elijah's going to do some shades of blue. I'm going to do purples and pinks. And of course, I'm going to put some gold in there. And yeah, and then we're going to use Amsterdam's Titanium White for our shmear color. You can do it however you want to. I know Elijah's back here visiting from California. They haven't been back here for ever. So I'm pretty excited about painting with him today. Jade decided to not paint with us this time. She wanted to go home with her mom last night to where they're staying. So Elijah and I are gonna paint together. We're gonna make a few paintings while he's here. So, and if you get pearl cells while you're here, I'm gonna be mad at you.
Why?
Cause I can't never get them. And you guys be getting them all the time. Every time I watch your videos and you get them, and I'm like, I never get them. I've tried very hard a few times to get them. Alright, I'm gonna smear it here. Do you want this little one or do you want a bigger one?
Bigger one.
There's a bigger one, and let's see where those two containers, one has paintbrushes and one has palette knives in it.
Okay.
There should be a big one in there.
Can I get it?
Yep. I have two whites and only one black, so when we do the black, I'll just put it in the middle of us. Yeah, let's move these things out of the way so they don't all get painted. Alright, I'm going to torch a little bit. Let me look, I got some cool ones there coming up. And then we'll just put a paper towel down. I just put one down like this and then just wipe it off. There we go. Do you need more?
Yeah.
It's okay if you don't get it all the way off. Ooh, look at them all. Those are cool.
Yeah, that is.
I would tilt it this way. We'll see what happens here. Are you going to go through them, or are you going to just do some on the side? Or are you going to go through it?
Probably gonna go through it.
Yeah, these are cool down here.
Yeah.
Look at them all on mine.
Well, that's cool.
It's like they pop up. They look like octopus things, like tentacles. That's what they remind me of when they first come up.
Yeah, that's funny.
Real light. There you go. You should probably take your socks off too when you're done.
Oh yeah.
In case we drip on the floor, you don't get paint on your socks. Yeah, I would tilt it this way.
Tilt it that way?
Yeah, and get that kind of negative stuff off of there. I would go that way first anyway, then bring it back. Then you can open these all up when you go that way and then bring it back in. Which way do you think I should go first?
To the left.
Oh, that's what I was thinking. Good job. Do you want to do a little bit of stuff before you start with the smaller ones?
No, I'll leave it.
Okay. All right, you can set it down there. There's these guys on YouTube. They're called the Massey Boys. There are two guys that do painting together. They're a married couple, and whenever it's time to tilt, they always say it's tilting time.
That's funny.
Keep some negative space. Kind of like that. That's cool.
Yeah, it is.
Yeah.
Get a torch.
But you see how your colors stay more vibrant?
Yeah.
Just do it a little bit thicker. Like, that's why getting one of those little scales, like I said, it's only like $10. And I'm pretty sure you can get it. I would assume you might be able to get one at Walmart too. Maybe like over in the kitchen supplies.
Oh yeah.
Or even if you have, I'm sure your mom, they have like a household store, like for kitchen supplies and stuff like that.
Yeah.
But they're not that expensive, but that will help you, especially until you get used to like feeling the consistency. Now you got some coming up there, look.
I think that's little, my birthday.
The little cells. But I'm saying like look how cool the little cells are coming up.
Yeah, that's pretty cool.
Do you like it? Let's make sure it's back in there so everybody can see it.
Oh yeah.
Looks pretty cool. What do you think? Do you think Jade would find a mermaid in there?
Yeah.
That one definitely looks like some cool coral or something too. Alright, so I'm going to bring you down for a close-up. Alright, so we'll bring you down to Elijah's. Do you want to tell him what's going on here?
So I did the Shmear, and then I only did like two things. Like I only did 2 of the strokes or whatever, and then I just started tilting it out, and then I left some regular color.
Yeah, they're really pretty.
Right there. And then yeah,
got some cool cells and some cool lacing. Looks like spider webs.
Yeah.
It's very cool. He used like 4 different colors of blue. It's turned out pretty cool. And then mine. I think I have a lot of paintings like this because I love these colors. I'm sure Jade would find a mermaid in one of these 2 paintings. She finds a mermaid in every painting, I believe.
Yeah, she does.
But I do thank everybody for joining us today. I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and we'll Like and subscribe and share. Comment. It helps my channel out tremendously. I appreciate your guys' support. I hope everybody is being healthy and safe. And yeah, have a good day. Have a good evening. Keep being creative. Bye.